Here's how to fix Valorant not installing due to a Riot Client issue. Step 1. Fully close Riot Client and background services. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find Riot Client Services, and any Valorant-related processes. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures the installer is not stuck in the background. Step 2. Restart Riot Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services list, scroll down and find VGC. Right-click VGC and select Start. If it is already running, right-click it and choose Restart. Riot Vanguard must be running correctly for Valorant to open. Step 3. Run Riot Client as administrator. Close the Services window. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Once the Riot Client opens, start the Valorant installation again and allow it to complete. After restarting Riot Client services and running the installer as administrator, Valorant should install without issues. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC guides.